Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you for taking my call this morning and requesting this custom video. So today I'm just going to show you a few tips that you can apply today to enhance your online presence and start beating your competition and getting those organic leads. So as you can see, we are on your website. You have a nice looking website. You've got some good content here. It looks like you have a little bit of buyer intent keywords going on, so that's great. Here's another keyword, that's good. It looks like you have a bunch of different service areas. So you're gonna need a different page for each service area that has any type of buyer intent keyword volume. That's going to be really important to put you in front of the customers in these areas. Let's see what else. Reviews, that's good. All right. Okay, so content is key when it comes to ranking a website, and Google likes to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on the homepage, going after those buyer intent, location-based keywords. And what that breaks down to is about 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. Google, unfortunately, does not rank based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that go and index each of your pages, pulling that content and keywords so they can index you for those keywords, rank you, and put you in front of your customers. So it is very critical that you have a different page for every type of service that you perform, as well as a separate page for every service area so that you can go after those buyer intent keywords and build up your content strategy. You also need to have more content than your top competitors. So now, when we look at your top competitor, you may already know this, but it is Cody Pools. They also have a really nice looking website. They have a ton of the buyer intent keywords throughout their website. So you can see all these hyperlinks, all their keywords. So that's important. They're doing really well for their keywords, but there's still not quite enough content on their homepage. But as you can see, each of their locations, they have a separate page for. So that allows them to go after the keywords relevant in those areas and capture that traffic. So in order to beat these guys, you're going to have to work really hard on your content and keyword strategy. All right. And you'll have to have more content throughout your website. Now, this is a program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see right here, you have a 4.9 rating out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which says that Google doesn't have a whole lot of trust in your website. And that's 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You have nearly 1,000 backlinks, but only an overall score of 4.9, which says that majority of these backlinks are of poor quality or no follow backlinks, or even spammy backlinks. And so those actually are hurting you. Not all backlinks are created equal. So it's going to be really important that you're going after the high authority backlinks, and also that you have more of those than your top competitor. You are being indexed for 267 keywords. But because you don't have a whole lot of content going on and good backlinks going to those keywords, you're only generating 63 people on average to your website per month. So you're missing out on several thousand possible leads every single month. Now, when we look at Cody Pools, you can see their domain rating is a 35, and that's because they have over 4,000 backlinks, almost 5,000 backlinks. So they have some pretty good quality backlinks. You're going to need to beat their backlinks. You're going to need more than they do. Because they are indexed for over 100 different pages, they have a ton more content. And so they're being indexed for over 6,000 keywords, which is allowing them to draw in 9,500 people on average to their website each and every month. So working on your content strategy and backlink strategy is what you're going to need to do to be able to beat Cody Pools. Just real quick, what a backlink actually is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is that's linking to you, the more power and more authority it's going to give you and to help you to rank faster. And so you're going to want to make sure that they are do follows instead of no follows, and that your backlinks are closely tied to your important buyer intent keywords, which are the keywords people are actually searching to find your services. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service. And so that's going to be really important to help you in ranking. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is the Google Maps. This is your Google My Business or Google Map Pack. And your goal needs to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and services that you provide. And that's because 30% of people come directly to the maps and don't go any further. So if you're not in this top 3 here, you're giving all of those leads to your competition. So in order to get in the top 3, there's several factors, but the most important is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages. Now, you need a lot more of those citations than your top competitor. And if you follow all these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for each of your keywords and service areas. And you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask you to go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.